Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Today we have the review of the Bang & Olufsen Beosound Explorer wireless speaker. The Beosound Explorer has a dual driver with a size of 1 8/10 inches along with two 30-watt amplifiers each, and it moves in a frequency range between 56 and 22,700 Hz. It has a lithium battery with an autonomy of up to 27 hours of use if we use it at medium volume, and we will get a full charge in approximately 2 hours. This time, the Bluetooth version is 5.2, so we will not have any latency when playing online content, and we will achieve a better range. This is an ultra-resistant speaker. First of all, it has the Ingress Protection 67 rating, so apart from being totally resistant to dust and splashes, we can also submerge it up to a maximum of 1 meter for half an hour. But besides that, it has an anodized aluminum outer shell that is completely scratch resistant, which also houses a vertical ribbed structure inside to withstand shocks much better. The speaker has true wireless technology, so we can interconnect two Explorer speakers with each other and create stereo sound. Finally, it's available in several different colors, and we'll find it at an approximate price of around 250 euros. Below, as always, I'm leaving you a direct link in case you want to get one. And now guys, once we've seen the features, let's go unboxing. Okay guys, in terms of the contents of the box, first of all, we'll find the speaker itself, which is the one we have here. And as always, we're going to put it aside to look at it in detail later. As for the accessories, well, we're going to have the guide of quick start and instructions. On the other hand, we have the USB-C charging cable for being able to charge the speaker. And finally, it includes this small carabiner to be able to hang it from the strap that the speaker has, which we will see later, and to be able to take it anywhere. So guys, once you've seen the unboxing, let's get to what is really interesting, which is seeing the speaker in detail. The Beosound Explorer weighs 637 grams. As you can see, it has a totally cylindrical shape, and in terms of measurements, it is 12.2 centimeters high and 8 centimeters in diameter. On the top of the speaker, we will find the physical controls. In this case, we have the volume up and down on each side. At the top, we have the Bluetooth pairing button. At the bottom, we have the on and off button, and right in the center, we have the play and pause. In this top area, we also find this fabric strap that, along with the carabiner we saw earlier, will come in handy for carrying it by hanging it. On the other hand, in the bottom area on the back, we find the USB-C charging port and an indicator LED. As for the structure of the speaker, well, in the central part, as I mentioned before, it's made of anodized aluminum. And on the other hand, both at the top and the bottom, the material changes to rubber to achieve better stability and feel. When it comes to wirelessly connecting it to our mobile phone via Bluetooth, the process is going to be very simple. The first thing we have to do, of course, is to turn on the speaker. Once we have it on, we're going to press the Bluetooth pairing button until the LED starts flashing. Once we have it like this, we're simply going to go to the Bluetooth of the mobile phone or the device we want to connect. And as you can see, the Beosound Explorer quickly appears. We're simply going to press on it, and after a few seconds, quickly, the process is quite fast. The speaker, as you can see, is perfectly connected and ready to use. As you can see, the phone itself already tells us that we do not have the Beosound Explorer application installed, and that we do want to install it. So now for the connection, we're going to take advantage, install it, and see how it goes. As you can see, it takes us directly to the application in the App Store. The application is called Bang & Olufsen, and we'll just have to install it. Once we have it installed, we open it directly. The first thing it tells us is that it wants to use Bluetooth. We're going to give it permission. And next, it will either ask us to create an account or sign in if we already have an account. So do what you need to do. In my case, for instance, I'm going to create an account. And once we're on the main screen with our account, we're going to go over here to the left where there's a plus symbol. And as you can see, it already indicates that we have a Beosound Explorer nearby. So we're going to hit the little arrow. It's now connecting with the product. We can select the color. Well, in this case, it's gray. We hit next. We can give it a name. We can name it whatever we want. I'm going to leave it like that. And as you can see, the product installation is completely done in the app. Now, as you can see, the speaker that we have connected appears on the main screen. And if we click on it to go into it, as you can see, it already shows us little things. Like, for example, the battery level, how it's connected. If we have another speaker connected wirelessly to create the stereo sound, we can change its name, update the software, or make any other type of configuration from the settings. Now, as always, before finishing the video, we're going to do a quick sound check so you can get an idea of how the speaker sounds. As I always say, it won't be the same for you listening live as through a video, but at least, as I say, you'll get the idea.
That I'm invincible, nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.
In summary, the Beosound Explorer is an all-terrain speaker that provides one of the best sound experiences we could hold in one hand. If you're in the market for high quality, combined with compact size, great durability, a long-lasting battery and superior sound, this is your speaker. As you just heard, the audio is stunning and we have more than enough for it in any indoor setting or open environments like a pool or camping. Both the bass and the midtones and the treble sound absolutely perfect, even at maximum volume without any distortion. It's an amazing audio experience. From my perspective, the audio may seem a bit low at about 50% volume, but if we raise it from 70 or 80 to 100%, it sounds incredible. Well guys, that concludes the review of the Bang & Olufsen Beosound Explore wireless speaker. As always, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to give me a good like. It's super important, as well as subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. For me, that's all. As always, a pleasure, and see you in the next video.